In this video we are going to discuss about replace HP Instant Ink cartridges and tracking shipment. It's a great service provided by HP without any problem at your doorstep whenever your printer ink will be low. Here's a great thing is that you don't need to order it manually. HP Instant Ink plan fees are based on print plan selected and not the amount of ink or toner shipped or used when printing. So it's totally depend on your uses that which plan you have selected as per your use. For example, 50 pages per month or 120 pages per month. Replacement cartridges are not shipped monthly, they are shipped only when you are running low. So it's a great thing that you don't need to pay on every month. You need to pay only when your ink will be low in the printer. And here is a great thing is that there is no need to manually order replacement of the cartridge. Once your printer runs low on ink or toner, HP will automatically send the new cartridges. Here is an important note is that your printer must be connected to a wired or wireless network at all times for instant ink services to have an accurate reading of your ink or toner levels so that they could send ink or toner at your billing address on given time and within the time. So now let's see how to track instant ink shipment. You can do it in two ways. First, through HP Smart app or HP Smart web application or website. So here we are going to do it through website. So open any of your browser. Here I am going to launch Google Chrome. After opening the website, in address bar you need to type website name, which is hpsmart.com. After typing, just hit the enter key. Now on right side you will find sign in option. Just click on sign in. Enter your username, the email ID which you have used while creating account. I have entered my email address and just click on next. Enter your password. I have entered my password and clicked on sign in. Now your account dashboard will be opened. Here you can see HP Instant Ink and plan overview. Under plan overview you can see all details about your HP Instant Ink plan which is running right now. And here you can see your ink status, that you are running low or ink status is fine. And here you can see shipment tracking. Click on this option. After clicking here you will find all the instant ink shipment status here and shipment date and quantity and tracking number and next shipment date. So here as you can see all the details visible to you, and you can see its status that when you can expect the delivery at your billing address. If you want any help related to your ink or account, you can ask for chat with a virtual agent. Just click here. Now this pop-up window will be opened. You can just click on start chat, and here as per your problem you can select the options which is available here. Otherwise you can also type your question and just click on send. You will find all the answers of your question. So in this way you can track the status of your shipment through HP Smart app or website. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.